If you're having trouble removing the front brake dust guard on an early model Skoda Fabia, it is often down to rushing to remove rusted off bolt heads with an inappropriate tool. In this video I show you the method that I used to remove the front brake dust guard. First you want to put the handbrake on and chock the back wheels. Jack up the car and make it safe on axle stands. Remove the front wheel. Undo the slide pins on the caliper. Take the pins out. Take the caliper off. Tie the caliper up out of the way on the suspension strut. Remove the bolt holding the disc on. And then remove the disc. Then you want to knock off any loose rust off the bolt heads and surrounding area and go over with a wire brush as best you can. On older vehicles these dust guards are often highly corroded and need replacing, and are only held on by some very small bolts, which also get corroded, so you need to take extra care removing them, otherwise you're going to round them off. Thoroughly soak the bolt heads with penetrating fluid both at the front and at the back where they attach to the hub. I like to reapply some penetrating fluid at regular intervals over a period of about an hour. You could leave it overnight. I found the 1/4 inch socket and wrench to be the most suitable for this job. I placed the socket over the bolt head first and tapped it on with a little hammer, made sure it was fully on to the bolt, hold the wrench nice and firmly and squarely, and then just eased it off. The top and bottom one came out quite easily, being quite open and visible, and were only held on by a fairly low torque. The third one is a little bit more involved because the bolt is hidden behind the hub flange, which restricts a socket bar going into it. So what I've done here is put an old screwdriver on the socket and knocked the socket onto the bolt head, as the flat of the big screwdriver seemed to go up against the side of the flange and was able to make purchase on the socket. After that I put a smaller screwdriver in between the corners of the 1/4 inch square socket head, just tap that in, and then used the spanner attachment on the screwdriver to put some leverage and turn the socket, which seemed to work a treat, and as you can see it came off quite easily, enabling me to remove the brake dust guard, so you can replace with a new one, and also it's useful to get this off so you can get access to the ABS sensor. So there we have it. I hope this helps you out, guys, if you're getting difficulty with this, and feel free to leave any comments and give us a like, thumbs up, and consider subscribing, and I'll get back to you on the next video.